Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to discuss materials around us. As I told you that everything around us is a material. Every object is made up of some materials or maybe one material like chair. Maybe it's made of metal and wood at the same time. So there are different materials.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Abdurrahman Hadim.
My name is Abdurrahman Had.
Hello, Khalid. How are you? Okay, Abdullah Hadrami, right? Okay, then we have Abdul Aziz Al Harsi. Okay, open your books, page number 34, 35. First of all, we will revise page number 33, properties of materials. As we discussed, rubber is made up, ball is made up of rubber, then metal, coin, then stone, house, and glass, bottle. So these were properties and objects. Then on the other side, we have materials and objects actually. On the other hand, we have page 33, where we had some words which are
السلام عليكم أستاذ، أنا تركي بندر.
hello Turki Bandar, how are you?
Thank you.
I'm fine.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you? Okay, who will tell me page 33? Who will tell me properties which are here in this circle?
Miss,
Yes,
I didn't
Fadal.
finish. I didn't finish this.
Who didn't finish? Khalf?
Yes, this. Yes. Hello, teacher Abdurrahman Muhammad.
Alaikum salam, Abdurrahman Muhammad. Okay, I will send you the video and you can finish this.
السلام عليكم، معك فيصل خالد.
Hello, Faisal, how are you? Okay.
مستر.
Yes.
صفحة كم يا مستر؟ السلام عليكم، معك حسام إبراهيم الزهراني.
Hello, Maaz Ibrahim. Okay, here we had properties like smooth, see-through, strong, rough, shiny, then bendy and dull, soft, heavy, then we had magnetic. So these were all properties of materials. Properties of materials. So you can write this. Okay, done. Khalf, have you finished this?
We خلف. They all of it finish and we know this.
Okay, do it now. I did it now. So you can do it now.
Okay. No.
Quickly.
Okay.
Thank you.
السلام عليكم يا مستر.
Hello.
ما يخصني.
What is this? Abdullah
أنا
Ghani.
خلصت كل ال page 32.
Okay, thank you. Then we have page number 34. On page number 34, we have materials around us. Open your mic, Faisal. Faisal Khalid. Read this, please. Faisal, open your mic and read. Faisal Khalid, can you hear me? Yes, Abdullah Al-Harsi, Abdulaziz Al-Harsi, open your mic.
السلام عليكم يا مستر.
Walaikum Assalam.
أنا طالب شديد الله معكم.
Tayyib Ahmed, okay. Abdul Rahman Hatim Al-Nasiri, open your mic and read now.
Yes.
Yes, please.
I am hard and very strong. I can be chopped to
This one,
make
Abdul Rahman and Hatim, this one, please, from here, from the start. Learn. Yes, come on.
that every الله يباركاته. أنا عزامي صالح حازم. أنا رشيدة
Rashid, khalas, okay. I can hear you.
has
Thank you, Abdul Rahman Nasiri. Different materials have different properties.
أستاذ أنا فيصل خالد عادي أجاوب.
Faisal, I was calling you and you were not answering.
أنا كنت بالحمام.
طيب ركز معنا, okay, be with me. Materials have different properties. As I told you, some are soft, some are hard, some are smooth, some are rough. So there are different types of properties. Think about the property of material with your partner. How many different properties can you name? Okay, who can tell me names of properties? For this, you can get help from page 33. There are properties inside the circle.
Wood.
Wood is not a property. Wood is a material. Okay, so here you can write hard. Some are hard, yes. Then some are soft. You can hear me clearly, right? Hard, soft, then dull, maybe, right? Then shiny, shiny, okay, and rough, rough, okay, then smooth, and so on. So we have a lot to write here. There are properties of materials: hard, soft, dull, shiny, rough, smooth. Okay, we use materials for different things because of their properties. Walk around the classroom, or this is an activity. You will come and we will do this activity. Faisal, are you with me? Faisal
Yes.
Khalid, are you there? Yes, read
Yes.
number 1 from your book, page 34.
34. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
This one, you can see this. Page 34, question number, yes. Explanation number 1. Abdullah Rahman, wait.
I am shiny, hard, and very strong. I can't be shaped to make many different objects.
Very nice. I can be shaped to make many different objects. This is steel. This is steel. Then number 2, who will read? Huzaifa, open your mic. Read number 2. Huzaifa. Okay, then Batal al-Urshi.
Yes, yes.
Sorry. Yes, Huzaifa. Number 2.
Okay. I am dull and
Yes.
soft. I am white and I am easy to see on black surface.
Back surfaces. I am dull and soft. I am white and I am easy to see on black surfaces. Who will answer? Anyone? Which one is this? Glass, rubber, or chalk? Yes, Faisal. Chalk. Very nice. Thank you. Oh, yes.
Teacher,
Number
can
2.
I try reading?
Number 2 is chalk. Yes, who is with me? Tamir. Yes. Okay. Number 3.
Okay. Wait. Number 3.
Yep.
I am hard. I am shiny. You can see through me. Be careful. I break easily.
Which is the answer, brother?
The answer?
Yeah.
Glass. Listen, glass.
Glass. Very nice. Because we can see through glass, and glass breaks easily, and glass is shiny. So these are properties which are there in glass. Okay. Number 4. Abdurrahman Hatim Al Nasiri.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
you answered before. Okay, sorry. Let me ask any other boy. Batal Mansoor, open your mic.
نعم يا أستاذ.
Yes, Habibi. Number
Yes,
4.
teacher.
رقم 4. Number 4.
I am
Bendy. Okay, Abdulaziz Al Hati, don't raise your hand.
Startish. I can have
Stretchy. This word is stretchy.
different clothes.
Colors.
Colors.
Colors. So which is the answer?
Rubber.
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 Because one left, so
Rubber.
this is easy for you now.
Rubber.
Rubber is the right answer. Stretchy, as I told you, you can stretch from one corner to the other like that. You
Like
can
a
stretch
rubber
it.
ball.
Yes, like a rubber ball. Because that is rubber. So that's why. Okay. Slippery and grippy. I need someone. Okay. Ammar Salman, are you there?
Abdul Hadrami. Yes, teacher.
Yes, Ammar. Please read slippery and grippy. This one. This. Quickly.
Okay, teacher.
Yes, come on.
Get wet. Look at the sky at a swimming pool.
Read from
Oh.
here. What are you doing? From here,
Okay.
shiny floors.
Tiny flowers can be very slippery. This means that
Means.
people
This means
this means people
people
might sleep.
might slip and fall over. You should read daily. Okay. Aus, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Tell me, tell about the floors in the school. Which floors are shiny? We are talking about shiny floors. Shiny floors are when you use marble or tiles that can be slippery. Shiny floors can be slippery. This means the people might slip and fall over. Think about the floors of the school. In which floors are shiny? Which floors are shiny?
Ground floor. Go.
Ground floor.
Go.
Okay.
Ground floor.
Not flower, floor.
Floor. Ground. Door. أستاذ
Yes.
صفحة كم؟
You can see this page here on your screen.
Okay.
Yes. So here, let me do it again.
35.
35. Okay. So how can you safely test floors to find out which are slippery and which are not? Which floors in your school need to do not run sign? Need a do not run sign. If floors are slippery, you should not run. There is no need to run because you can get hurt because the floors are slippery. You may slip and fall down and it will hurt you. Okay. What might happen if shiny floors get wet? What might happen if shiny floors get wet? This is the question. The water can make them even more slippery. They
You can easily
will
fall.
be more
Easy fall.
slippery. Okay, write this here. And here you can write. They will be more slippery. Then look at the sign, this sign at a swimming pool. How does this sign help you to be safe? If you run on a wet, slippery floor, you might fall down. So this helps us. Okay, so
قرأت B.
if you run,
كسر الكتاب هذا مو عندنا.
you may fall or fall over. You can write like this. This is better. Okay, write this here. If you run, you may fall over. That's why this sign helps us. Do not run. Okay, next. Number 1. Who will give me the answer?
أنا فيصل خالد.
Okay, yes, Faisal. Number 1. Which of these properties of material? 4 words are there. Not metal, not material. Just properties.
Hard wood, heavy.
Soft, shiny, heavy. Wood is material and metal is also material. Okay, so we are not talking about material, we are talking about properties. So this is the answer. Which of these are metals? These 3 words are there. Gold is metal, plastic is not a metal, wood is not a metal, glass is not a metal, iron and copper are metals. So there are 3. Glass, iron and copper are metal. Which is the best material to make a bell? Who will tell me? Yes, to make this bell. Which is the right material? Wood, plastic, paper, metal, ceramic or glass? Metal. Very nice. Metal is the right answer. Okay, last question. How did they make this window for window screen for?
أنا عبد العزيز.
Hello, Abdulaziz. Glass.
Iron.
Yes. Glass. Very nice. This part of the car is made of glass. This is right answer. So this have you done? I am dull and shiny. This is chalk. Glass is this and rubber is this. Am I right? Or am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Thank you.
Yes, you're right.
Thank you.
Yes, you're right.
Yes, you're
You're welcome.
Okay, so we have on page number 34, we had properties and their explanations. We match them by drawing different lines. Then we discussed about slippery and greasy. Who is this?
We'll finish the class now.
Wait for me, please. Okay.
We'll finish the class now.
Khalaf, I said wait for me, please.
Okay.
Okay, so now I will ask the names. Okay. Abdul Rahman Muhammad is there. Abdul Ghani is
Yes,
there.
teacher.
Okay. Asil. Asil Mojud. Azam Naif, are you there? Azam? Yes, very nice. Thank you. Okay. Battal Hatim Al Qurashi.
تركي بندر موجود.
Wait, please. Let me say your name. Battal Hatim Al Qurashi. Faisal Khalid is there. Hussam Ibrahim.
أنا
Saeed.
عبد العزيز محمد. أنا عبد العزيز محمد الحاثي موجود.
Okay.
أستاذ
حسام.
عبد العزيز موجود.
طيب. Okay. Saeed Saif. Okay. Safwan. Safwan, are you
أستاذ
there?
عزام موجود.
Safwan, are you there? Okay, Azam, I will write your name. Safwan, are you there? Hussam. Safwan, موجود?
أستاذ عزام موجود.
Okay, Azam, خلاص يا حبيبي. Saud.
خالد موجود.
Saud. Okay, Saud is there.
Yes.
Turki Abdullah is there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yamin Mustafa.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Battal Mansoor is there. Tamir is there. Khalf is there. Abdullah Salim is there. Abdurrahman Usman and Namiri. Abdurrahman and Namiri. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Oh my God.
Then Ammar Salman is there. Rashid is there. Okay. Fahad Faisal Al Utaibi. Okay, Tayyib. So this is it for today. If you have any question, you can ask from me now, because we discussed properties and property. Abdurrahman Hasan. Okay, Abdurrahman. Okay. I have Battal Hatim Al Qurashi. هذا غايب. صفوان هذا غايب. وفهد فيصل. ثلاثة. 3 are absent.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, أستاذ.
من معنا.
فهد. You say Fahad.
Yes, I say Fahad Faisal. أنت فهد فيصل الأوتيبي.
Yes. Yes.
That's okay. السبيتي.
Teacher,
Yes.
what is homework?
You have to send me these pictures, okay? What have you done?
Okay.
Okay, any questions?
What's the homework?
Just send me these pages.
What's the
Yes,
homework?
yes. Now, Samet, ya Habibi, if you finish these pages, just send me.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye, teacher.